Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to get your permanently banned YouTube channel back. So what we need to do is go to Gmail and tap on messages when your channel got removed. Now what you need to do is copy the URL of the YouTube and save it somewhere in the notes. After that just click an appeal. Here type your name. After that type your email where they can contact you. After that go to your notes and copy your YouTube URL and paste it. Once you do that, just write a message to you and explain why you should get back your YouTube channel account. After that just click on submit appeal. And that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.